family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious mini apple pies individual that I know you guys are going to love and enjoy with your beautiful family. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I want to start preparing my baking dish. I am adding 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. I want to cover all the baking dish from the bottom so that nothing sticks. You know that the butter really gives this amazing recipe a delicious and creamy flavor. Well, here, this is the start. The green potatoes. I am going to start taking the skin of the green potato carefully so I don't take any of the pulp out. Let me tell you, this part is what takes longer to prepare. But once you make these mini individual apple pies at home, you are going to continue enjoying them with your beautiful family. Look how easy this is to remove the seeds carefully. Be careful so you don't get cut, and remove the seeds and the stem. Once you do this with all your apples, you decide how many apples you want to make this amazing apple pies. How many you want to use, you decide. Easy to prepare with ingredients that you find in any supermarket. Look at this. Look how easy you remove the core and the seeds. Very easy. Well, I'm going to continue getting ready the rest of these green and delicious apples. Look at this. Very easy recipe. I have an organic lemon from my garden, and of course I am going to use half. Here I have all my apples ready, peeled, and I even took all the seeds out. I'm just going to cover them with a little bit of lemon juice so that they don't start browning. Once you are in this step, very easy to make your individual mini little apple pies. Look at this. Okay, let's reserve. I have my croissants here. Any brand you could buy. I'm going to go ahead and start opening this container, and it's always so hard to open these containers that I'm going to smash it on the countertop and then open it. Once I open them, I'm going to pull them apart. It's going to have about 8 pieces of croissant dough. I am going to start peeling it off. Look at this, 4 on each side. I'm going to reserve this one, and I'm going to start wrapping my apples. Pull them apart so that you see how you have the pieces and how you're going to cover your apples with this amazing dough. I'm going to pull it just a little bit, try not to tear it. Pull it apart and then add the apple in the center and then completely covering it. It's okay if there's little pieces of the apple showing. Just try to cover all the apple just like that. I'm going to continue making the rest. Pull the dough just a little bit so it doesn't tear off, and then cover your apples. Look how easy it is to make these delicious individual apple pies at home. When you bake with love, everything comes out perfect, and your family is really going to love these mini individual apple pies, especially with this cold weather. You're going to enjoy them. Look at this. Okay, let me continue wrapping the rest and getting ready all my individual mini apples. Look how easy this is. I am sure that once you make these mini apples pie, you are going to continue making them at home, enjoying them with your beautiful family in this cold weather. Once you have everything ready, of course, remember at the beginning of the video, we started by prepping our baking dish. So now I am ready to lay it right on top of my baking dish. I'm going to start layering them just like that, leaving a little bit of space in between. And then getting ready the butter, the cinnamon, and the sugar. Okay, let's put it aside and let's continue making the amazing topping. 1 stick of unsalted butter, 1/2 a cup of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 pinch of salt, and we're going to incorporate it really good. My butter is nice and cold, so I'm just going to try and pull it apart and then incorporate it really good into the sugar, the cinnamon, and the pinch of salt. The pinch of salt is really going to bring those amazing flavors right on the top of our mini apple pies. Look at this. Once the butter dissolves completely and the mixture is nice and thick, you are ready to remove and pour right on top of your mini apple pies. This really takes about 2 to 3 minutes for the butter to completely dissolve and the mixture to get nice and thick. If you got to this part of the video and you like and you love this amazing, easy recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria continues growing. I'm going to cover them just like that. And of course, I am using a squirt soda. I'm going to add it right in the center, 12 ounce. And then my oven has been preheated to 350 Fahrenheit. It's going to go in the oven for about 35 minutes. Every oven is different. When they're golden brown from the top, all those juices are going to be nice and thick. You are ready to enjoy. Look at this. Look how moist, how crispy they are from the top. And this is the best part. You could enjoy it just like that, or you could enjoy it by adding 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream. Yes, 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream right on the top, so it's nice and creamy. I love to enjoy it just like this, of course, with those amazing drippings right on the top. I can't wait to enjoy, so I'll see you in just a little bit. I am completely done with this amazing individual apple pie with ingredients that you find in any supermarket. Look at these. Nice and crispy from the outside, but yes, nice and gooey from the inside. I am going to enjoy it just like that, but of course you could add some vanilla ice cream right on the top. Excuse me. It is so crispy, and the combination of the cinnamon, the pinch of salt, and the sugar, just perfection made at home. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification button. If you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And see you soon. Bye-bye.